Good morning, students. In a previous video, we were on page number 7 and we were discussing the novel The Swiss Family Robinson. And in that novel, by that time, we came to know that this Robinson family, when they reached on the island, they made first house that was tent, then they made a second house that was on the tree. Okay, now let us continue with the further story. The men knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Thus, they created their ladder. Father returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge on runners rather than wheels. Later, they use it to transport materials. Now I hope you are getting what is happening. Now what happened when they make the second house? During that, okay, one more thing I would like to tell you that, see, some of the students actually requested that some part we should teach in Hindi also. See, there is no harm in teaching Hindi. We can teach you in Hindi also. हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, इतना मुश्किल नहीं. But see, the more you will listen English, the more you will read English, so that will be helpful for you for writing your exams, okay, for future also. And that's okay, I will mix it now, Hindi and English to some extent, but you first have the idea, have an habit of doing the things in English, okay, then only your writing skill and everything will be improved. Otherwise it is not going to help you. Okay. So हम लोग क्या कहाँ तक गए थे कि हम लोग देखा कि second house which they were doing or they were building, it was on the branches, on the tree, right? It was on the tree, and when they were doing it, now it is very common, very easy to understand. What is that? For example, the house which they built on a very height. Now how they will go in the house and how they will come from the house? अच्छा, मेरा हाथ वीडियो के भी ऊपर जा रहा है. ओके, तो ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर कैसे आएंगे वो लोग, राइट? So for that they wanted to make some system. Yesterday we saw that with the help of some Williamson made some angles. He taught that how to make the angles to his children also. In that he was teaching geometry to the students. Now this is given in short here, but maybe in actual novel we will get good big descriptions of this, and maybe we will get some good lessons of geometry from there. Okay, and that's why you should read this novel. So yesterday we saw that they made the platform on the branches, and on that branches they built with the help of bamboos and all these things. They built they built the house. Now the question was how they will go and come down on that house. So for that, what Williamson did, so Williamson, the men knotted a rope at a certain interval. Williamson, what he did, so he had one rope, a wood rope, so he tied that rope on the branches, and from that rope what he did, he made some knots, कुछ उसको गठान बांध दिया रोड में ना. मतलब अगर मान के चलो ऐसा है तो एक रोप है, तो इसको ऐसे गठान बांधने से क्या हो जाएगा, that will act as a step, we can say ladder, है ना. इसमें हम लोग ऐसे पैर रख के आ सकते हैं like this. Okay, so he did that and attached a piece of bamboos, and in between what he did, he attached the piece of bamboos in between the knots, means a step बना दिया, उसने सीढ़ी बना दिया. Thus they created their ladder. Further, father returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge. And in that way, from that ladder they used to come down and they used to go to the home. For some days they did like that. One day then William went to the jungle in the forest, and he found one driftwood, and then he brought that driftwood and he made a sledge. Now sledge क्या होता है, it is somewhat circular, semi-circular in shape, like boat shape में he made one boat shape sledge only, that we call it sledge only. And on runners rather than wheels, and he put that sledge on two rods, we can say, or on two bamboos, मतलब वो ना ऐसे so that from here they can directly go, अगर ऊपर में ऐसे कोई चीज़ रख देंगे दो बाम्बू के ऊपर ऐसे और इसके ऊपर से कुछ छोड़ देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, it will drag down, right? So he made the sledge like that in spite of wheels, but later they may came to know that better than sledge their ladders are good, and that is why later they use it for transport material. और उसके बाद जो स्लेज को उन्होंने शुरू तो किया लेकिन काफ़ी दिन तक उसको यूज़ नहीं किया, एंड उसके बाद वो किसी ट्रांसपोर्ट के काम में उसको लाते रहे उस स्लेज को. In that way they were going on leading their life. Now meanwhile Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Corns, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers were already growing. Now in between now what Elizabeth, this is what the habit of housewives basically. You also might have seen that your mothers at home, what they generally do in this rainy season, they sow some seeds of different वेजिटेबल्स, स्पेशली लौकी का भी लगाते हैं, देन वो वाला के शेंग वाला वो लगाते हैं, एंड भिंडी वगैरह, एंड दे सो सम सीड्स बिकॉज वुमेन्स हैव द हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग किचन गार्डनिंग. सो सेम हु इज दिस Elizabeth was also doing, and when they started living for some days after that, one day she informed to the Williamson ki the garden which she started, a kitchen garden, in that good healthy vegetables are growing. Which vegetables were growing? Like corn, melons, pumpkins, cucumbers were already growing. Means now what they did, they made a house to live, then they made utensils also from some of the gourds from the tree, right? Then they started. Now what about they had food grains with them. Whatever food grains were left on the ship, they brought along with them for some days. They were going to use that only. Now what about the vegetables? So she grown some vegetables, and now these vegetables have started giving fruits also. I mean that problem is also solved now. The next day only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods, exploring and finding such exotic plant as one with wax fruit from which candles could be made. Now another thing, now they had house, they had utensils, vegetables, all these things were there. Means they were living a good life now, but during night time they did not have light. Okay, and how they found out light on that island? So one day what happened, along with Williams and Fritz, they were just exploring in the woods means in jungle, forest, and while doing all these things, are searching for the searching for some of the forest things, they got one plant which was almost like a wax, right? Such exotic plants is one with a waxy fruit. Okay, sorry, the fruits of that plant was like wax, मोम. So मोम की जैसे बिल्कुल उनको मिल गया, and from which they can make the candles. And William was very smart, intelligent. Yesterday only I told you. So he found that, he brought that, and he used that for the purpose of lighting. He used that as a candle. So the purpose of light also solved now. Fritz discovered a tree excluding a rubbery sap from which his father claimed they would make the boots. Now see, after what happened in that way, again they were roaming in the jungle, and one day Fritz found one tree, and maybe accidentally he did something with the tree, and from that the milk which came from the tree, so it was very much pulpy like rubber. Okay, and when he asked his father, so Williamson saw that, उसने देखा, उसने बोला अरे ये तो एकदम रबर जैसे काम करेगा. देन फिर विलियमसन ने दिमाग लगाया. क्या दिमाग लगाया कि बोला कि ये तो अपने काम में आएगा, और उसने उसका वो जो मिल्क शायद रबर जैसा जो था उसको कलेक्ट किया, एंड दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग बूट्स आउट ऑफ दैट, क्योंकि इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ रबर, मे बी रबर प्लांट ही होगा वो. सो इन दैट वे दे वर लीडिंग देयर लाइफ. में समझ में आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे एक एक चीज़ है वो ऐसे 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 करते करते उस आइलैंड के ऊपर. एंड सी देयर वाज नो वन no human beings were there apart from them in this island. Okay, so I hope we should stop here because our video is going for 10 minutes, and remaining parts we'll see tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much.